Hi everyone, it's Makeup Leia here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm gonna share with you on how I do my makeup, and this is basically for hooded eyes. So now the first thing we do is to put powder on our eyelid. I'm already done putting primer, concealer and foundation. So now let's use a powder. And now I'm gonna use to put a crease. I'm gonna use this black. So I'm gonna choose this lighter brown color. And just look straight and then close your eyes and put this brush in the middle and push it and just turn on this like you're going to make a circle. Just follow your eyeball inside of your eyes. And then after that I just will use this brush to blend it. Now to achieve a more dramatic look, let's gonna put a darker shade here on the outside of our eyelid. So I'm gonna use this brush and just and it will look better if you are going to use an eyeshadow shield, so you can control your eyeshadow by using this eyeshadow shield. You just have to put it in that way, and you have to give a space here in between. So in that way, so later on you can also connect this eyeshadow going down until here. So now we can put your eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna use my blender, this one. And just blend a little and bring some color until in the middle. So don't put the dark color until here. Just we just have to blend it and drag a little of this darker color until in the middle of your eyelid. So that way, and then now let's gonna put lighter color so in the middle. So now guys, I'm done setting up my concealer to our eyelid. So just a half from our eyelid, and then I'm gonna choose for this. Which one of this? I think I'm gonna choose this gold color, and the top natin siya dyan. And then after, i-blend lang natin siya. So, awake na yung left eye natin, diba? Compare sa isa. Ayan. And now I'm gonna show you how to put on eyeliner. This is gonna be the most difficult part for me, is putting eyeliner, because for a hooded eyes we really have to make sure that we only have to put a small amount of eyeliner, and then let's gonna start on this side. So here in the inner side, and just put the small amount. Ayan. So konti lang mga guaps. Ayan. Ouch. Yan lang ang paglagay natin. And then, pag mayroon na tayong mascara, mas lalo na siyang gaganda. And now, so this is it. let's continue our right side. And in same technique, I'm gonna use this really small brush, and let's take this same color and make a round shape. So now let's gonna use eyeshadow shield on the right side, same like we did on the left side, so we can control our eyeshadow. And now let's gonna use a darker shade. Same darker shade, and then let's just do in that way, just like make a straight line going to the inside. Let's just continue. Mga guaps, I'm done with our eyeshadows. As you can see, fresh, elegant ang dating kasi medyo dramatic look siya. Nilagyan natin ng darker color outside of the eyelid, and then yung eyelid natin nilalagyan natin ng light color with shimmer. Ayan. And then it will look more dramatic kapag maglagay na tayo ng eyelashes. So, kumapit na finally ang ating eyelashes. So, this is it, mga quaps, ang ating eyelashes. So now, magkukontour lang tayo. Nasaan na yung pang-contour natin? Ayan. So, ang gagamitin natin blush is
never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't.
This is it, mga guaps. This is our final look, and I hope you like this makeup video, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.